back in action. So this is how I release this spark, okay? Now let it stick over here. Come right off. Once you get the cover out of the way, then usually what I do is I use this clip release to go back and lift the lid as much as I can. So I can pull forward now. Get the seat belts out of the way, makes your life easier. This is the reason why you need to release the third brake light inside the trunk, because when you pull this, if you don't, you're probably going to break that little power cord, okay, to it. And that's it. The way to put it back, it's simple. Put this back first, then put the sides, then put this back, put the plugs back, and you're done. It should take no more than 5 minutes, probably.